In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and manage old Claude projects to keep your workspace organized. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move inactive projects out of the way without losing any of their content, and how to revisit them when you need to. Let's begin by opening Claude AI. When the app loads, take a look at the left sidebar. This is your main navigation. Click on Projects to open the full list of workspaces you've created. If you have a lot of projects, take a moment to scan through them and identify the ones you no longer need in your active view. Archiving is perfect for projects you're done with for now but don't want to delete, because it keeps everything tidy while preserving all the chats and context inside. Once you've found the project you want to manage or archive, hover over its name and look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the overflow menu. Click the three dots to reveal the project options. From this menu, select Archive Project. You won't lose anything by doing this. You're simply moving the project out of your active list. Think of it as putting a folder on a shelf so your desk stays uncluttered. After you confirm, the project will disappear from your active projects list. Don't worry, that's expected. This change helps you focus on what's current while keeping your historical work just a couple of clicks away. If you ever organize your projects by priority or timeline, archiving is a great way to create a clean separation between what's ongoing and what's complete. When you're ready to manage archive projects later, head back to the Projects section in the left sidebar. Look for the Archive Projects area. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a separate section or a filter. Open it to view everything you've archived. You'll see the same familiar project names, just stored in a quieter space. If you need to review or reuse past chats, simply open an archived project. All the conversations and context you saved remain intact, which makes it easy to reference prior prompts, repurpose drafts, or pick up where you left off in a previous phase of work. This is especially helpful when you're repeating a workflow or need to audit old decisions without crowding your main workspace. A quick tip before we wrap up: set aside a moment each week or month to archive anything you're done with. Pair that with clear project names and you'll always know where things live. Active up front, archived within easy reach. That's all there is to it.